Ay, ma'am, no, magpapakilala lang po ako. Ako po si Patty from Abot Philippine Surprise Delivery. Ayan, may idea naman po ako kung sino po yung nagpadala, no? Si Sir Eugene po. Yun po, pinapaabot po niya na. Happy birthday, ano po, happy anniversary.
Birthday lang.
Birthday lang po, ma'am. Nakalagay po kasi happy anniversary. Ayun. Yun, ma'am, meron din po siyang kanta para sa'yo. Yan, kaya lang, pwede mo makairam ng cellphone?
Ano po?
Pwede mo makairam yung cellphone, ma'am?
Bakit?
Ano lang, sounds lang, ma'am.
Nakanta ka ba?
Ayan, ma'am. Saan siya na, ma'am? Isa na cellphone ko, eh. Ayan, ma'am. Ayan. Ayan, ma'am, no? Masaya po ba kayo, ma'am?
Nabigla.
Ayan, ma'am. May kanta rin po si Sir para sa inyo. Ayan. Sasya na po sa boses ko, Hey! Yun. Hey. I wanna make you smile whenever you're sad. Carry you around when your try is bad. Oh, all I wanna do is growing old with you. I get your medicine when your tummy aches. Will you find if the phone is break? Oh, it could be so nice growing old with you. I'll miss you, kiss you, give you my cold when you are cold. Need you, fit you, even let you hold the remote control. So let me do the dishes in our kitchen sink. Put you to bed when you have too much to drink. I could be the man who's growing old with you. I wanna grow old with you. Yan! Yan, ma'am, baka, baka meron po kayong gusto sabihin kay Sir Eugene, ma'am.
Ano? Unexpected. Saka, thank you. Thank you so much.
Yan.
Masaway ka.
Sige, ma'am, huwag mo kayo mahiya. Yan, ma'am, no? Ang Abot Pilipinas po ay nagpapaabot po sa inyo ng isang maligayang kaarawan mo na may naging, napasaya po namin kayo o napasaya ko po kayo. Yan, ma'am. Pwede po bang, picture lang, ma'am?